Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly. The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Remove the wing nuts.
There are 4 fasteners that need to be removed.
Pry up the center of the rivet first. This will unlock it. Next, pry up the base of the fastener.
If you look, right on the other side of this black plastic part here is there's 2 Torx bolts and they're T20s.
Remove the Torx bolts by turning them counterclockwise.
Remove the last bolt.
Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle.
Try to pull in a controlled manner when removing the housing from the vehicle.
Press the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Push the connector straight in to connect the bulb housing.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place. You may need to use some force to get the bulb housing back in place. You should hear it connect to the vehicle.
Replace the Torx bolts by turning them clockwise. Align the base of the rivet first. Next, push down on the center to lock it in place. Replace the wing nuts.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.